Hello, friends. We have an amazing flash sale from January 23rd to February 1st. The flash sale gives you a 15% discount on an amazing bundle, which includes the Ultra-Plush Bath Towel in Heathered Oatmeal, my favorite, the Hair Protecting Spray, and also the Deep Conditioning Mask. The sale price for this bundle is $74.99 in the US. Learn more about the flash sale bundle items in this video.
Let's discuss the importance of using clean ingredients in our hair products, especially considering the impact of toxins on our scalp and our overall health. Now, 3.5 years ago, when I joined Norwex, I decided to take a closer look at all the ingredients, whether it was my cleaning products, personal care, and my hair care products. What I discovered was very shocking, and it led me to make lots of changes, not only for myself, but also my family. When it comes to hair care products, I was very surprised. Even my high-end salon quality brands contain these harmful ingredients. One of the common culprits that I noticed was sulfates. It was everywhere, such as sodium lauryl sulfate, which is SLS, ammonium lauryl sulfate, ALS, and also SMES. These ingredients can wreak havoc on our hair shaft, the hair follicle, and our scalp, and lead to issues like scalp dryness, irritation, even hair loss, something I don't need. In addition to sulfates, there are lots of other harmful ingredients we want to avoid, including parabens, which act as an endocrine disruptor and may interfere with our hormone balance. PEGs, commonly used as thickeners in cosmetics and hair products, are often contaminated with carcinogens like ethylene oxide and dioxane. Fragrances are another concern. As manufacturers do not disclose their ingredients, they can also contain hormone disruptors and allergens, including phthalates. To address these concerns, I made the switch to Norwex's Nourishing hair care line. And in this video, I want to focus and highlight the two products that I use quite a bit, the hair protecting spray and also the deep conditioning mask. I love both of these, use them quite frequently. The hair protecting spray gives our hair and scalp added protection. It conditions, shines, hydrates, and shields hair from UV. Also heat, right, and pollution effects. It also helps with detangling and nourishing the scalp, which prevents dandruff, which is great, right? Once a week, I also treat my hair to the deep conditioner hair mask. It has the Nordic antioxidant complex of juniper, sea buckthorn, and red algae extracts, and they provide the hair with nourishing vitamins and essential fatty acids. The mask is awesome. It deeply moisturizes dry, brittle, and even damaged hair, making it a great option for weekly deep conditioning treatments. So choosing clean and safe hair care products is really vital for our overall well-being, and I'm very passionate about helping others avoid ingredients that may harm our health.
Now let's talk about my favorite bath towel from Norwex. It is the Ultra-Plush Bath Towel. Look at this. It is our plushest bath towel. It's super absorbent, very fast drying, and it's ready to wrap you in comfort again and again. As we emerge from our bath or shower, we want to wrap ourselves in a towel that's much more than absorbent. The towel needs to be warm, soft, and feel very luxurious on our delicate skin. This towel also has silver in it, which is Norwex's Backlock, which offers continuous protection against microbes and odors within the towel, making it mildew resistant. It keeps it cleaner and fresher longer. On average, a standard towel needs to be washed daily to get rid of the buildup of bacteria, not with these towels. As a bonus with these towels, with a gentle rubbing action while drying our skin, it helps with a gentle exfoliation. The plush high pile provides extra absorbency. The plush towel measures 55 inches long by almost 28 inches wide. It is amazing. I'm 6 feet tall and it's perfect. The towel comes in oatmeal and graphite, and we have coordinating items, which I also love, such as the Ultra-Plush hand towels, the Ultra-Plush body and face cloths, the chenille floor mats, the chenille runners, and we also have this in an extra large version too. I'm a huge fan of all of them. I particularly love using the body cloths to cleanse my skin, my face, and my body. Because did you know that typical soaps and cleansers can be really harsh and drying to the skin? This can be very problematic for people with sensitive skin like myself. Using a soft microfiber cloth with just water can help maintain the delicate balance of the skin. Plus, if you leave a bit of moisture on your skin after showering, it can help it from becoming too dry, especially if you lock it in with a good moisturizer or body lotion. It's a perfect combo.